This week, we're going to learn how to multiply a mixed number by a mixed number. Since you are so good at doing a mixed number by a fraction, multiplying a mixed number by a mixed number should be an easy lesson for you. Let's first take a minute to remember what mixed numbers and improper fractions are and how to change them from one to the other and back again. Okay, let's take a look at our first mixed numeral, 1 and 1/4. To change it to an improper fraction, we need to multiply 4 times 1, then add 1, and carry it over to the numerator in the improper fraction. We also need to take the denominator and just carry it over, and that gives us our improper fraction. If you can do that well, then you will be able to do multiplying a mixed number by a mixed number well. The first step is to make sure that you've changed all the mixed numbers into improper fractions. As we look at our first mixed numeral, 3 and 5/6, we've got to change it to 23/6. As we look at our second mixed numeral, 2 and 1/3, we have to change it to 7/3. Our second step is to multiply as we normally would and not forgetting to cross cancel and reduce if we need to. Last week, sometimes I saw you all just giving me a improper fraction as your answer and not changing back into a mixed numeral as your final answer. So make sure that you do that. The other thing I noticed last week was that you did not cross cancel. Always remember to cross cancel to make your reducing easier at the end. Let's take a look at our problem again. So this was our original problem. 3 and 5/6 times 2 and 1/3. In the first step, we changed it to 23/6 times 7/3. Now, in our second step, we're simply multiplying because we can't cancel anything here. 23 and 3 do not cancel into each other, and 7 and 6 don't cancel into each other. So in this problem, we don't have anything to cross cancel. As we multiply straight across, 23 times 7, we get 161. As we multiply 6 times 3, we get 18. We cannot leave an improper fraction as our answer. So we again have to divide 18 into 161 and get 8 and 17/18. Remember to check all of your work before you turn it in.